Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 72, Youngest. This is another one of those very interesting puzzles where you have to think laterally. Let's see how you go with this one. Seated in a cafe we have a 24-year-old pregnant woman, a 34-year-old teacher, a 43-year-old lawyer, a 52-year-old actor. Who is the youngest? So a clue will be given on the next slide. Now in the next 2 minutes, if you're having trouble solving this, I will give you the clue. But please stay on this slide because I'd really like you to have a go at this. And as I've been saying in my videos, when you find the answer, it is so satisfying. So please think about it, and I'll give you a clue in 2 minutes' time. Okay, here's your clue, and I hope you've been patient. This will help you if you've had a little bit of trouble. Here we go. The clue is concentrate on the first sentence. By the first sentence, I mean this one here. Right, that one there. Let's see how you go. So concentrate on that one, and in exactly 1 minute's time, I will give you the answer. I think I'm pretty confident you might get this one. Okay, let's see how you went. And here is the answer. And it is the pregnant woman's baby. I don't think I need to explain any further. A little interesting one there, but I'm pretty confident you may have got that one. So I'll be uploading more videos quite regularly, If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide.